Hi, I'm Dipanjan. I belong from Purulia, West Bengal. So currently I'm working at Mumbai in Tata AIA Life Insurance. So before this, I was in market research as a campaign manager. So the reason why I chose digital marketing as a career and moreover digital Vidya is to enrich my knowledge basically in digital campaigns or digital marketing campaigns because all I used to do at there was like market research, which was a different set of actionables. Now here, after joining this course, it enriched my knowledge, and also I would say that this course is very well designed and there are many competitors available in the market, but when I researched in Google and find out it is very good, pricing is also good and the content is also well covered. So if I have to say that my journey is almost a year after I joined back in 2023. So after completing the course and today after completing this exam, so today I can say that yes, I have learned a lot of also left in the learning process, but yes, and a lot of certifications in terms of Google, like Google Analytics, Google Search, and inbound from Hubspot or email marketing that I've obtained, and that adds a great value in my resume. So if I talk about my future plans, so currently here in Tata AIA head office, I am working as a campaign manager, managing the operations portion. The digital ad portion is yet to come to my kitty, so I'm trying to add that this portion of my experience to the analytics portion that I already manage, so that it can give me a jump in my career in the future. So this is about it, and I would recommend everyone to to join this course because it is a very good design course, and the mentors, especially I would like to say about the mentors that were there in the course, Mega Jain and others. They were very good. So the content and the mentors plus the support that we received, it was